So, today, John's having his dinner will be steak and steak salad and fried rice. Now, up until probably maybe before Christmas, I didn't know that you could actually freeze fried rice. So now what I do is I make a whole head of it, and then I just freeze it, and when I need it, I just take it out. So it's really, really nifty. So yesterday, and I'm just going around, I just cut some things up. The yellow capsicum, red green capsicum. I cleaned the spring onions. I've got some, now you can cook bacon in spring onions, and bacon obviously is what I would normally put in there. But I think the guys made some homemade hot salami, so I'm going to add that into there. And the rice, well, the rice is already boiled. And from the other night I had some leftovers, so I cook it aside. So yeah, my fried rice won't take me long at all, because I'm half cooked already. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. But yeah, game changer knowing that I can actually freeze it. It's really, really handy. Okay, I'll show you the end result, guys. Okay, 10 minutes, 10 minutes later, and hang on, I'll structure it around. There we go. So, that's sizzling away, and whenever I can, even though we have the gas stove, but I'm also a real big fan of the induction cooker. So yeah, sometimes, most of the time, I'll cook on the induction cooker. So that's nearly all done. Hello. Oh, hang on. Hello.
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 I'm sitting outside and you hear all this chatting inside.
Yeah.
Talking about.
I'm making a fried rice. Yeah. And I was telling everyone that just before Christmas, I found out that you can actually freeze it.
Fried rice, yeah.
Yeah. Didn't know that.
Early.
Yeah.
So, a lot more cook-ups now.
Yeah. Anyway, and just quickly, I'll show you John's, again, turn it around. John's dog can't see it, but he's got himself a tea gun. So he'll have tea gun,
On the fire!
a fried rice, and a salad. Okay, so you're going to cook done, guys. I let everyone in on a little secret. When making a fried rice, add a bit of fruit chutney to it. It is so delicious, and it gives it a real sweetness. Try it. It really is really, really good. Rosella fruit chutney in the fried rice. It's a winner. So, we're up to egging the rice. So, yeah. I cooked it 2 days ago. I had it left over. So now I'm just going to add it into the fried rice. And the leftover I'm going to add to my soup. So, it never gets thrown away. We always find a use for leftover food. And it's all done now. So, and what I do to finish it off, but once you cook fruit chutney. You don't really need soy sauce. So you can cook a little bit in if you like, but I always go the sweet chili sauce and I'll just cook just a tad in, just because that's what you do with fried rice. But I just gave John a taste test and he said it was okay, so it smells good, so I'm sure that it's a winner. But unfortunately, my dinner's not so exciting, but yeah, that's my fried rice.
It's the fried rice that Silv was talking about earlier.
Okay, so we have John sorted for dinner. That I'm going to get the cooking. So normally I would make a big batch of soup for myself, but it's just been incredibly busy in Melbourne, so I haven't had a chance to do it. But I have found this, which it's probably the second or third time that I've used them. They are incredible. It's a little stony and it's done a lot an ethnic, I'll say it correctly, an ethnic delicatessen and they stock it. It's honestly, it's like my mum making her Ministerial soup. It's so good. So what I do is, as a cheat meal, I use 2 of these and then I add my pasta or rice or other vegetables to it. So yeah, it's quick, but it still means I'm getting all the nutrients that I need. So yeah, I'm looking at how it turns out. I've just worked out that I can actually put the camera down on the bench because it sits on that tripod, but we won't tell John that I just worked that out after an hour. So, that's straight into the pot and I just add a little bit of water and this is made, like this is what I have to do to eat. But yeah, like I said, it's just a treat now. When I haven't had time. And I've even gone, I use them a lot. The canned soups. I'll add a pumpkin or a minestrone to my own soups. Just for extra flavour. And they're good. They're really tasty. So yeah, and there. Like that. Yeah, and now I'll just heat it up. Add a little bit of water. I got some leftover corn and peas and then I made the fried rice for John. And once I add those to it, yeah, that will be my dinner So probably got 2 or 3 days. So yeah, nothing exciting, but it's exciting. The other thing I want is also exciting. So that's it there. It's got everything in it. Gorgons, it's got lentils, it's got carrot, it's got Silvia, pumpkin, celery, it's got it all. So, yeah, it does the job really well. So I'll keep going. Cooking the rice in there as well every day, and I can just see. Oh, I don't know. Hello?
You're welcome. Bye-bye, Silvia.
Bye, thank you, bye. I just realised I was still recording. Yeah, so whenever I get a phone call, I'm a little bit apprehensive because I don't know the number, and it's like, will they be able to understand me when I talk? So, but yeah, like I said, I forgot you guys are there. So I'll just quickly show you what's going on. There we go. Put on my glasses. There we go. Yeah, so that is my dinner, and then what I'll do is I will blend it with the blender, and yeah, that will take me going for about 3 nights. That's it. So yeah, that's our dinner for the first night. Out camping in the environment that we are